Hey y'all, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. We are back again this week to show you another collection of our containers and the lids that go with them. This is our collection of Libbey Storage Jars, and we carry these in a 15 ounce, a 22 ounce, and a 31 ounce. And as you can see, we also have 3 different lids that will fit each of these jars. First, we have just our regular wooden lid. This is a raw wood, so you're welcome to paint it, stain it. We have some people that will use like a burning tool to brand it or write something in the wood. Then we have our large Libbey glass flat lid. These are probably some of the most popular lids for these containers. And then we also have our, same as the raw wooden lid, this is our dark stain wooden lid, which is a beautiful kind of, oaky brown color. Now these containers are all going to have the same diameter, so you can actually use the same wick for each of these jars, which certainly makes things easier. These containers have a 4-inch wide diameter. So for a soy container wax, we would actually recommend using 2 of our Eco 4 wicks. If you're using a single pour paraffin, we would recommend using 2 of the LX 18 wicks. Okay, that's going to be all for this week, guys. Come back next week and we'll show you more.